How to fix music stops when you open other apps on your iPhone. So if you're playing music on your phone, but when you open an app, the music stops playing, I'll show you how to go and fix this. Now the first step is you need to load up the settings on your iPhone and scroll down and click on accessibility. Now scroll down again and click on per app settings and then click on add app. Now you need to go and locate the app that causes your music to stop playing. So for example, I could go and select Facebook. You could then click on the app that you just added, scroll down to the bottom of the settings, and click on autoplay video previews. Now just go and set this to off like so. And you'll need to do this for all of the apps that are stopping your music from playing. So you can just come back over to this window and click on add app, and you can go and add multiple apps to this list. Now if it's still not working, you may also need to disable the microphone access as well. So just head back over to your main settings page, scroll down to the very bottom and click on apps. Now go and locate the app that's causing your music to stop playing. And once you've selected the app, next to microphone, make sure this is turned off and disabled. And that's how to fix the issue where your music stops playing when you open other apps.